Hi, I'm Charles DeCarli. I'm a clinical neurologist, and I co-direct the UC Davis Alzheimer's Disease Research Center. I have a number of federally funded research projects. I would say the pinnacle of my research is the diverse vascular cognitive impairment study that I am the principal investigator of. And this is a study that is national. We have 19 sites across the country. The goal here is to examine risk factors for cognitive impairment and dementia, taking a slightly different perspective, looking at three different race and ethnic groups, white Americans, Black African Americans, and Hispanic or Latino Americans, with a focus on vascular risk factors and what role they may play in increasing risk for dementia. And the purpose of this is because we're beginning to understand that dementia is a complex disorder that has most commonly Alzheimer's disease, but has other associated pathologies. And that number 2 pathology is vascular disease. And while we are seeing emerging treatments in Alzheimer's disease, we have many more effective treatments in vascular disease. The problem is we don't recognize it, and we don't have the opportunity to intervene early enough. And I believe our research will help in reducing disparities in dementia that are already clearly prevalent between white Americans, Black African Americans, and Hispanic Latino Americans. The impact of the work that I am doing is to understand the complex pathologies that lead to what we call brain aging. So there's this concept of healthy body, healthy mind. We can do things to keep our brains healthy, such as preventing trauma to the brain from accidents, but also to intervene in common vascular risk factors or diseases that we see, which are hypertension, diabetes, high cholesterol, smoking, along with very healthy body activities such as exercise, good sleep, and a balanced diet. These added together may reduce the risk for late life cognitive impairment by as much as 35%. The most important aspect of academia is its contributions to society in general. I think most people would agree, and experts certainly would agree, that most of the innovation that we see in science and technology today have at its roots academic institutions. The people who are hurt most when there are reductions in funding or changes in indirect costs are those who are just entering the system, the graduate students, the postdoctoral students, the residents, and even junior faculty. I can say that the reason the United States is a leader in innovation is due to the investment of our government in our academic institutions.